Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create auto captions in CapCut. Super simple. I'm just going to add an audio here, and I'm just going to select voiceover, and I'm just going to record myself. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. I'm just testing this out. Then what you're going to do is you're going to select text and then just select auto captions and choose the sound source. My one is of course voiceover. Then you're also going to select language and you're going to select start here. And it's going to create the auto caption for you. So you don't have to listen to it and type it yourself, because that takes a lot of time. And to edit, you're just going to go to the text bit, and here you can batch edit the text, not the test, the text. It's pretty good, and it matches with the audio. You can also edit the style of the text if you want, and it's going to apply to all of your auto captions. But if you don't want that and you want it to change colors, you can untick that. So on the second text, you can change the color of the auto caption. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!